22 million views. It's how much this short right here got by using this 100% automated Sora 2 Doorbell Shorts workflow. And today I'm going to walk you guys through all the steps on how it works and how you can use it for yourself. Because as you see right here, if we go to this guy's channel, he's literally getting 22 million views, 23 million views, and 26 million views, 100% automated just by using this n8n workflow. And this workflow activates every 12 hours of the day, and it generates a random prompt from our AI agent right here. And after it generates that prompt, it sends it to the Sora API, and then it generates the videos and makes sure there's no watermark at all, so it looks realistic. And after it does that, it gets the URL, and then it downloads the video straight into the Google Drive, where you can then download it and upload it to your YouTube channel and instantly post it. And this workflow is absolutely amazing, guys. And I've been using it for myself recently, and I've been getting amazing results. Now that I show you how it fully works, I'm going to show you how to set this all up so you can use this yourself. So to get started, guys, first off, if you want to skip all the hard work of building this all out yourself, which would take hours to do, then press the first link in the description down below and join my group, and you'll be able to instantly just download this workflow that you can paste into your n8n and just activate it. And after you download it, it should look just like this. It is almost fully complete. Now we're going to have to connect 3 APIs. So to start off, we need the Sora 2 API, and you can get that by going to kie.ai and then head over to the API key section. Once you're in the API key section, under my face cam, there should be a button that says create API key. So you're going to want to press that. And after you press that, you can name this key whatever you want. I'm just going to call it main key 4. And after you do that, an API key should appear on your screen, and you're going to want to copy this and make sure to not share it with anyone, because if they get a hold of this, they'll be able to spend all your credits. But after you get the API key, head over here to where it says Sora 2, and you're going to want to double click on it. Make sure it says header auth right here. And then you're going to want to press create new credentials. And then for the name, just copy me. I'm going to type authorization and make sure you spell correctly. And after you do that, you're going to want to go down to the value and then type capital B, lowercase EARER, and then press the space button, and then paste in your API key right after it, and finally press save. And after you press save, make sure your account's selected right here. And then you're going to head over to get video and double click on that, and then select your account right here. And after you select your account, you're basically done setting up the kie.ai, guys. But one more thing, if you head back to kie.ai, you're going to want to head over to the billing section. I highly recommend you buy the $5 worth of credits, because every time we actually use this, it's going to spend around 30 credits, and you can literally just get 1,000 credits for $5. So I highly recommend it. But after you do that, you're going to want to head over to platform.openai.com/settings/organization/API keys. And then in the top right under my face cam, click on create new secret key. And I'm just going to call this main key for n8n, and then select your project, and then press create secret key. And do not share this key with anyone, guys, because if they get a hold of it, once again, they'll be able to spend all of your credits, which should not be good at all. But after you do that, go down here where it says OpenAI chat model and double click, and then click on credentials and create new credentials, and then just paste in your API key right here, and then press save. And now we're on to the final step, and that is setting up the Google Drive. And this one is honestly the hardest one yet, so bear with me, guys. We're going to get through this. But to get started, you're going to want to go to console.cloud.google.com, and then click on your project right up here and create a new project. Now I'm just going to call this n8n drive main, and then press create right here. And after you press create, make sure your project is selected right up here by clicking on your project. Then up here, search for the branding, and after you find branding, just click on it, and down here, press get started. And you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Sora VidGen YTA for YouTube automation, and then select your email, and then press next, and then select external, and then press next. And then I'd recommend writing the same email that you just selected, just like so, then press next, and then select this and press continue, and finally press create. And after it's created, we just have a few more steps, and then we'll be fully done. So right under my face, click on create OAuth right here. And after you press that, select application type, then web application, and then scroll down where it says authorized redirect URLs and press add URL. And then you're going to want to type this right down here. And then make sure you type this correctly. It's https://oauth.n8n.cloud/oauth2/callback. And after you do that, press create. And then you're going to want to copy this client ID. And I recommend you don't share this with anyone. And after you copy the ID, head back to n8n, double click on the Google Drive right here, and then click up here, and then press create new credentials, and then for the client ID, paste it in right there. Now we're gonna have to get the secret key in just a minute, but for now, head back to Google Cloud, and then click on branding right up here, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on add domain, and you're gonna want to type n8n.cloud, and then press save. And we're about done. Just click on audience now, and then scroll down where it says test users, and you're gonna want to write the email that your Google Drive account's under. So I'm just gonna type mine right here and press save. And there's a few more steps, so click on clients right under audience, and if you look right under my face cam, click on this pencil icon, and then scroll down to the bottom, and then look on the right side of the screen where it says client ID, and you're going to want to copy this. And do not share this with anyone, guys. Never share your secret keys with anyone. And after, just paste in your client secret key right here, and then scroll down and press sign in with Google. And now you're going to want to sign into the account that you have your Google Drive on. So I'm going to click right here, and then press continue, and then press select all, and finally press continue one more time. Just like that, we've practically completed the whole entire workflow. And if you go down here where it says from list, you can select whatever folder you want. But I'm just going to keep it as the default. And for the final, most crucial step is that you press this activate workflow workflow button right up here next to my face cam. And now every 12 hours, this workflow is going to activate. It's going to create the Sora 2 video without a watermark and just going to upload it straight into your Google Drive. They can then download, then upload straight onto YouTube and get millions of views. And I really hope this video helps you guys out. And if it did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what workflow you want to see me make next. And once again, if you want to skip all the hard work, make sure to join my group. It's the first link in the description down below. And don't forget to press this video on the screen right now. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.